Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about our project Smart Agriculture Monitoring System using IoT. Basically, agriculture is major source of income for the largest population in India and is major contributor to Indian economy. In past decade, it is observed that there are not much crop development in agriculture sector. Food prices are continuously increasing because crop rate declined. There are number of factors which is responsible for this. It may be due to water wastage, low soil fertility, climate change or disease, etc. An automatic irrigation system thereby saving time, money and power of farmer. With the automated technology of irrigation, the human intervention can be minimized. If the farmer is far away from the agricultural land, he will not be noticed of current conditions. So efficient water management plays an important role in the irrigated agricultural cropping system. So to overcome this problem, we go for smart agriculture technique using IoT. So what exactly is an IoT is? The Internet of Things refers to a system of interrelated, interconnected objects that are able to collect and transfer data over a wireless network without human intervention. So in this, we are taking hardware components, soil moisture sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, communicating Wi-Fi module, that is Node MCU, and Arduino Uno. And the motor which are we using is L298 module, and the software we are using is Arduino 1.8.13. In this system we are using three sensors, and the first one is soil moisture sensor. It senses the moisture level in the soil, and the second one is humidity and temperature sensor. It senses both humidity and temperature from surroundings. This is the LCD display. It is used to display the information related to moisture levels, temperature levels and humidity levels, and whether the plant is healthy or not it will show. And this is the Arduino Uno. This is the main component which we are using. The software code is dumped in this Arduino Uno, and this is Node MCU. It is the Wi-Fi module we are using. It connects to the cloud and sends the information to the user, and we are using Blink app for this to get the information to the user. And this is the L298 module. It has inbuilt two motors. For this system we are using one motor, and this is the pump which are we using for pumping the water. In this system, the soil moisture sensor senses the soil moisture level, and when it is required water, the LCD displays the message as I need water, and immediately the motor runs the pump, and the pump pumps the water towards the plant. And when the water is sufficient to the plant, the message is displayed as I am healthy. Then immediately the motor stops running and the pump is also stopped. So let's watch what we are getting. So here it is displaying as welcome to soil monitoring, and it displays all the values related to temperature and humidity, and it is showing as healthy because it has sufficient water. When it get dried, so let's see, when it get dried means when the sensor didn't sense the value like this. So let's check the two conditions, but in this the soil is already wet, so we aren't unable to get the first condition that it is I need water. It will display like that. So let's switch on the power supply. So when it is kept in this, it will show like So here in this we have taken out this outside. So so it display like I no water. So the pump is automatically run and it pumps the water. So when we kept in this, it displays like I'm healthy. So now it has more water, so it display like I am healthy. Take out this, it will again pump the water because it will sense no water. So this is our project, Smart Agriculture Monitoring System using IoT.